If you want at least an idea about stickers or decals, then this video is for you. If you are still new to my channel, please hit the subscribe and the bell notification button to be updated in my next videos. Big shout out kay ACLove Street Decals and Disenyo Sticker Shop Solano Vizcaya for the good sticker and service. Thank you. Special shout out sa ating 500 subscriber, Jennifer Bugaay. Maraming salamat po sa pag-subscribe. God bless po sa inyo, madam, and always take care. And the rest, subscribe also to these channels: Platypus Rider, Chris29 Motovlog, Big Rider 1822. If usapang pang motor ang hanap nyo, then our channel is for you. Abs Angela, Ori Dwight Running, Trending Club, Wendell Lagat, and Repa Peps Moto. If you want shoutouts, first let me know in the comment section below. So sinabihan ako nung nagbenta ng decals and yung nagkabit na at least within 4 days wag agad ipa-car wash. Within that 4 days, each day at least ibabad sa init ng at least 30 minutes each side para mag-evaporate yung tubig na nagamit dun sa pag-spray. Kasi pag bago pa lang naikabit yung decals, every morning nagmo-moist yan. As you saw in my video, nabaklas talaga yan eh. And within 4 days at least check nyo kung may mga bumukol. Try to use Stlyle para just in case na may natuklap, at least maagapan. Tsaka during rainy days, pag alam nyo tag-ulan, pwede pa naman magpakabit sa indoors. Yun lang is wag nyong hayaan maulanan. And it's better na gawin yung advice kasi sayang naman yung decals, ang mahal pa naman.